everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mercy Kyando. For those who are new, karibuni sana 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 sana. There are chickens uko nje. It's been raining. It might rain anytime during the video, hopefully not, but yeah, forgive the sound. Yeah, so I don't know kama hao kuku wanasikika or not, but let's hope not. Yeah. So today I'm going to be doing a low ponytail bun. Is that the right word? A low bun ponytail, something like that. Whenever I'm about to do a wash day, like kama now, it's already, today is Saturday, I'm supposed to do a wash day, but I can't because I have to do this video because it's about gels. So because I'm slicking down my hair, so nikaona kwamba kwanza let me slick down my hair and then nioshe nywele. The choices of gels that I have are so many. Oops. Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah, these three types of gels. This is not a gel, this is a custard, sort of like a gel but not really. This is the one I'm going to use because I want that hold, but it doesn't mean that easy has it. But nimewapatia options, you can use all of them depending with what you want. Yeah, so these ones will also work. Another thing is you can also, if you want it to be like really super hard, you can go in with this. I'm going to use this around my edges, and then this I might use, I might not use, I'm not really sure, tutaona. So this, then I'm going to be also needing the water. I'm going to add a little bit of water because my hair is dry, as you can see, and I need to comb it so that it can be a little bit straighter so that I can slick the bun. And I'm going to use this one, which you're going to see. It's something that it's quite different what I'm going to do, but yeah, because I don't have long hair, I'm going to use this, and then because I want a long ponytail, and I'm going to be using Hergiven hair clip-ins. Yeah, so let's start the video. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to, by the way, this is from Nywele Chronicles, very nice. It is a continuous mist spray. Unaona? Ni vile tu mimi sijui kutumia, mkono wangu bado hujazoea, but I think I'm getting the hang of it. Yeah, if you do not want to use water, you can try to use a leave-in, and if you're just from washing your hair, then the better. You can just go in with the, you can start with the styling. Yeah, so I'm using water because my hair was a little bit not a little bit dry, it was hella dry. Yeah, so I'm going to use this comb, imeharibika, the perks. Yeah, you see the water has helped my hair to be inachanika vizuri bila maumivu yoyote, otherwise oh, my mirror imeharibika, so I'm struggling. So yeah, let me put it here. Yeah, somewhere like that. Yeah, so this is how the hair is jinsing after combing it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going, because I wanted the slick bun to be somewhere here kwenye kisogo here, so that's where I'm going to do. So I'm going to just, and I want it to be like a middle part, matako style. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. But first, before I do that, let me just shikanisha huku the hair behind. I've already tied the behind part, so what I'm going to do now, after finishing up from behind, I'm going to cut a matako style thingy. Don't worry, this hair is not clean, so for the purposes of this video. It was for the purposes of this video. So apparently the longer the way, the better. It feels more classy apparently. So today we're going, normally I used to do up to here, but today nimefanya hapa kwenye utosi. I don't know, yeah, somewhere there. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be, so this is a trick. If you want your hair to stay for longer, you can do in partition, especially if your hair is kinky. If your hair is kinky like mine, doing it in partition is always good. Doing it in partition is always good, like what I'm doing right now. So because my edges are really not tamed, and I don't know if this is, it doesn't really, okay, it using the got to be gel glued, this one helps. So I'm done doing hair. The only thing I'm wondering is like, where is my hair? Yeah, so I'm done, and I'm going to like let it dry and then come back. I'm going to let it dry off camera and then come back and then show you the last part where I put the ponytail. Yeah, so this is it. I would have gone, I would have gone with this, but I don't feel like it, so because I'm taking off this this hair. I'm going to wash my hair immediately, and I do not want all that hassle. Yeah, so basically this is what I'm going to do. I normally, this is not because of manipulation, I don't normally have hair around here, like ever. Yeah, so usione hivyo. Yeah, so I think let me just go, let me stop rambling and then come back when I'm done. Back, so I want to take this off first and then tuone how it has turned. God, I hope it's good, not all that effort and then inatoka vibaya. So, wow, okay, this part imetokana, but I can rudisha it, but otherwise, wow. So what I'm going to do is, because I want a long ponytail, I'm going to use this. Let me geuka and then I show you. So I'm going to use these clip-ins. So this is the final look. I know for the sake of the video the hair is not that really dry, but I hope you've understood the technique of it. Yeah, so this is how it is. You can use even a weave, you can use even normal, okay, just a weave, but you can use even braids to get this long look. Yeah, but the technique was for you to sleek, and then this. You could also spray some water if you have clip-ins like this from Hergiven hair, so that it can change the pattern, can be curly, but I do not want it. I want it to be like this natural. Yeah, so this is the final look. This is the final look, guys. I love it, and I just love it. So if you have any question, if you have any comment, please put all that in the comment section below. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please share to your friends who you know are going to like such kind of videos from me. Yeah, so until next time, guys, ciao.